All right, guys, we're back with one of the most iconic classics ever built. 1966 Ford Mustang. She has the 200 cubic inch 3.3 liter inline six backed by a 3-speed automatic. Paint is absolutely beautiful. In my opinion, she's a solid 8. Interior is nice and clean. Floor pans are solid. Let's check her out. This was the first year Ford put the iconic horse emblem on, and it's still found on Ford Mustangs today. As y'all can see, the paint is absolutely beautiful. Let's check out the top. Driver side floor pans, passenger side, checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Deck lid, deck lid, interior is nice and clean. Of course, she has bucket seats, floor mounted shifter, back seat nice and clean, package tray. The passenger seat has some discoloration on her. I'll show you when we go around to the other side. Check out that dash. Check out the mileage. Upper dash. Lower. That's the spot on the passenger side. Headliner good. And there she is, the 200 cubic inch 3.3 liter inline six, backed by a 3-speed automatic. Let's give her a cold start. Gave her a little gas, she fired right up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollermuseums.com. Got over 100 detailed photos on it. We have financing available. Don't miss out on this beautiful classic. Thank y'all guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Y'all have a good one.